Hello, Techsplorer viewers. Today, we're diving into OnePlus' latest powerhouse, the OnePlus 13R. Featuring a stunning 6.78-inch AMOLED display, the mighty Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a 50MP triple camera system capable of 8K video recording, and a massive 5500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging, this device is built to impress. Plus, with an IP64 rating, the OnePlus 13R adds durability to its list of strengths. But is it worth your hard-earned money? Let's find out as we explore its design, performance, cameras, and more. The OnePlus 13R carries forward OnePlus' tradition of sleek and premium designs. The phone features a glass back with a matte finish, offering a comfortable grip and resistance to fingerprints. Available in two striking colors, Astral Black and Glacier Blue, the 13R appeals to both minimalists and those who prefer a bold aesthetic. The aluminum frame adds durability while maintaining a lightweight build of just 205 grams and a thickness of 8.3 millimeters. What's more, the phone is rated IP64, making it resistant to dust and splashes, though it's not fully waterproof. Overall, the OnePlus 13R strikes the perfect balance between elegance and ruggedness. At the heart of the OnePlus 13R is its 6.78-inch AMOLED display, boosting a 1440x3200 resolution for ultra-sharp visuals. With a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, the display enhances everything from scrolling to gaming. The HDR10 Plus support ensures vibrant colors and deep contrasts, while the 1200 nits peak brightness makes the screen easily visible under direct sunlight. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming, or browsing, the display provides an immersive and fluid experience. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13R packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm process. This powerhouse delivers the significant leap in both performance and efficiency, making it one of the fastest chipsets available today. Paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, the phone handles heavy multitasking, app launches, and file transfers with ease. The performance is top-notch for everything from casual tasks to resource-intensive applications like video editing and gaming. For gamers, the Adreno 750 GPU ensures smooth frame rates and incredible graphics quality. Popular games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact run flawlessly, even at the highest settings. The vapor chamber cooling system ensures sustained performance without overheating during long gaming sessions. The OnePlus 13R comes equipped with a 50MP triple camera system, designed to capture stunning photos and videos in a variety of conditions. The 50MP primary sensor delivers crisp and detailed shots with excellent dynamic range, even in challenging lighting. Thanks to optical image stabilization, OIS, low-light photography is also impressive, with reduced noise and enhanced detail. The 8MP ultra-wide lens expands your perspective, perfect for capturing landscapes or group shots, while the 2MP macro lens lets you explore intricate details up close. On the front, the 16MP selfie camera ensures vibrant and sharp portraits. For video enthusiasts, the 8K video recording capability combined with advanced AI stabilization makes the OnePlus 13R an excellent tool for creating professional-grade content. Battery life is a strong suit of the OnePlus 13R thanks to its 5500 mAh capacity. The phone easily lasts a full day of heavy use or even 2 days with moderate usage. When you need to recharge, the 80W Super VOC fast charging gets the job done in just 30 minutes for a 0 to 70% charge. While the phone lacks wireless charging, The wired charging speed is one of the best in its class. Combined with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3's power efficiency, the OnePlus 13R ensures that you're always connected and ready to go. The OnePlus 13R runs on OxygenOS 14, based on Android 14, delivering a smooth and intuitive user experience. Known for its clean UI and minimal bloatware, OxygenOS is one of the most beloved custom skins in the Android ecosystem. Features like Zen Mode, always-on display, and enhanced multitasking capabilities make the phone a productivity powerhouse. The software also includes extensive customization options, letting you personalize everything from icon shapes to gesture controls. In terms of connectivity, the phone supports 5G Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and NFC, ensuring you're equipped with the latest technology. Security is handled by a fast in-display fingerprint scanner and AI face unlock for added convenience. Priced at around $649, the OnePlus 13R delivers flagship-level features at a more affordable price. Its main competitors, such as the Samsung Galaxy A96 and Xiaomi 14T Pro, offer similar performance, but the OnePlus 13R stands out with its clean software, faster charging, and IP64 rating. While it may lack wireless charging or a periscope lens, its overall package offers excellent value for money. So, is the OnePlus 13R worth the hype? With its stunning AMOLED display, powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery, it's a solid contender for anyone looking for a near-flagship experience at a reasonable price. If you're someone who values performance, durability, and a clean software experience, the OnePlus 13R should be on your radar. What do you think of the OnePlus 13R? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Explorer for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, stay curious and stay tech savvy.